This is the signal we had for today. Well, this is how you enter signal, Madam or Mr. I don't know your gender. So when a signal comes in the group in this format, this is how signals appear. They are like this. Okay. You don't need to worry about anything. This is how we set the signal now. Once you pay for the robot, all you need is now to wait for signals. Yeah. So you simply hit your Roku application, then look for this particular coin that they have sent us in the signal, and then you go ahead and go to Roku, and so you come and look for the signal. If you don't have coins, you're simply going to click on here, this one, and then you add coins manually. You add more coins, click on add. You choose the spot here, and then you come and tick down here all, and then you come and add. For me, mine already added, so I can't remove them. All right, so after the addition, you move back and then tap on the search icon right here. After that, you click on it, and then you search for the coin that they send the signal. The signal is Poly X USDT. Poly. Search for it here. Poly X. Poly, it is that one. After searching for it, you click on I understand. That's what will display. Click I understand. I understand. Then you click on create right here. Create. After create, you click on Martingale strategy bot here because we are using that robot. You click on it, it will highlight the create. It is here. Then click on create. Then choose the second next, this one. Feel free to create your own strategy, more flexibility. Then after that, you click on next. In this video, I won't be showing you how to set a strategy of $100. Okay. When you arrive on this, arrive on this page, you're simply going to click on trade setting below here. Continue with it. Choose the manual side, the manual create right here. Yes, the manual create.
Time for bed.
Choose the manual create here. And then if you have $100, I suggest your first buying amount to be, you write here 10 as your first buying amount. They switch off the margin call button, this one, switch it off. Then the margin call limits, make them around 12. I shall teach you all what it says. Then our profit here, they are telling us our profit here. Our profit. What are they telling us to set it? They are telling us to set 3.01%. Then you go ahead to your queue and put where the 3.01, where you set that percentage at 3.01. Go to the next field. Those are callbacks. You put them as 0.01. All the callbacks have to be 0.01. Each callback 0.01. And then where you're seeing cycle here, the strategy period, change it to one shot. One shot displays immediately. You press the cycle, it displays. Then you go ahead and set your margin calls. These ones. Since you have 12, you go ahead and set them here. You click on this arrow, the margin configuration. We are setting up this margin calls. Here we are allocating our profit, our capital plus our drop, which is in the signal. I'll show you that. So we go ahead and do the math. Click on the margin configuration. So you see that all our margin calls are here. First, second, first, starting from the first call, third, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, up to the 10th, up to the 12th call, because we have 12. So here you're going, how do you calculate for the margin call drop? The margin call drop is simply this one here. It is drop here. So how do you calculate it? You go to your calculator, and then you click on the drop, which is in a signal. What are they saying? It's 10%. 10% divided by the number of margin calls, divide by the number of your margin call limits. There are 12. They are these ones. The margin call limits are these ones. They are these ones here. 12. Okay, hope you don't forget that they are 12. So you go to your calculator and finish up. So the answer you get, 0.83, is the answer you're going to fill here. From the first, 0.83, even here 0.83, even here 0.83, 0.83, then here 0.83, even here 0.83, 0.83, up the last margin call. Okay, 83, 0.83, 0.83, 0.83, 0.83, and then 0.83. Okay, that is done. So our next task is to know how much capital we have and allocate it in this field. Yes, up to the last call. So how do we do that? To allocate for the capital, you simply look at your first buying amount. Your first buying amount is 10 here. Then you pick the first buy amount, which is 10. First we pick the first buy amount, which is 10. You multiply it by the margin call limit, which is 12. So what answer do we get? You get your first buying amount, which is 10, times the margin call limit, which is 12. You get 120. So you put this answer at the back of your mind. Just write it at the back of your mind. So you go ahead and say, so if you had $100, remember the robot has already used $10 as the first buying amount to buy, so we are remaining with only $90. Okay, $90. So now it is now this $90 that you use to divide the answer you got, the other 120 you got after multiplying the first buying amount times the margin call. So this answer here, the final answer here, is what we fill in this field, here. So we start from the first call. Of course, what's our answer? Is 0.75. 0.75. Next, 0.75. 0.75. Next, 0.75. Next, 0.75. Next, 0.75. Next, 0.75. Next, 0.75. Next, 0.75. 0.75. 0.75. 0.75. 75. Yes, when they are all done, you simply go ahead and click on sure, and then you go ahead and this is what displays, and click on the save, continue. You click on sure again, continue, and then it will save. So up you can see this, all the strategy information is all here. is all here. So what you have, our margin calls, remember they are 12. The first buying amount is 10. Our profit is 3.01%. Our callbacks are 0.01. Then our drops are 0.83. So, but remember, before you click on the activate button, before you actually start your robot, make sure that the strategy mode here is in. Click on understand here, is in this third option, the sub-bin mode real-time settlement. After that, if you're sure you've chosen the real-time settlement mode, click on the sure button, and then yes, and then you go ahead and start your robot. Okay, go ahead and start your robot. All right, that's it for today. If there's any question, you can go ahead and ask, please. Otherwise, thank you so much. This strategy, you'll be able to make around $3, $2 to $3, 5, 7, like that. Yes, depending on how fast the coin is moving.